Welcome back to income tax class. We are in income from house property chapter. Let us do some more problems in this chapter. In fact, we will do one problem. In this one problem only two separate houses you can see. A owner has two houses, first house and second house. Okay, and you immediately note down the problem. We will try to solve it. Okay, so it is visible now. You can see it now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will read it once. Mr. Satish owns two house properties at Warangal. The first house is self-occupied and the second house is let out for residential purpose. The other details of the properties are like this. The municipal value 5,000, 6,000. First house is self-occupied. Second house is let out. Standard rent 5,000, 2,000. PA means? Yes, what is PA? I wrote PA in the bracket. Very
per month, sir. Per month.
Per month కాదు. Per month అంటే PM అని పెడతాం. నెలకు PA అంటే సంవత్సరానికి. Okay. So municipal taxes 600, 800. Rental income 7,200. This is, so please remember, this is for 12 months. In a bracket you maintain it. 12 months. Means for each month what is the rent?
7,200.
No, for each month how much rent? For 12 months it is 7,200. Per month what? 12 నెలలకు 7,200 అదే. నెలకు ఎంత? Yes.
600, sir.
Very good.
600.
Very good. 600. 12 into 600 will give you 7,200 like that. Okay. Per annum it is given. All values are per annum. Please remember. Next, land revenue, fire insurance premium, interest on mortgage, collection charges. That's all. Okay. So then the second house remained vacant for a period of 2 months during the year. This is important. Please note down. The second house remained vacant for a period of 2 months during the year. Compute the income from house property. Yes, are you able to see the problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
You are unable to see. Okay, let me check. Now is it clear? Are you able to?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. मदार पाशा सो के सुन रहे, प्रॉब्लम नहीं लिख रहे. हाँ, Yes, have you noted?
No, sir.
Okay, you do it. मदार पाशा क्या कर रहे, देखते रहे, नोट्स नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. What mother pasha you are enjoying like a movie? There is no notes. Useless fellows. Very good. Evening time only more strength is present, it seems, more than in the morning. Evening class is night for you, it seems. Will you try this problem? Yes, we have done so many problems, no? Will you try this problem? Another value also I will give. Here at the end you can write this value I will give. Fair rent is 4,500. Here I am giving it as 5,500. This also you write, fair rent also you write. Okay. Yes, have you noted? Have you completed writing the problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you try this problem for 15 minutes. I will do. Okay, so many problems we have done now. Will you do or not?
Do, sir.
Okay, you try this problem. Okay, for 15 minutes, you try this problem, you refer previous problems, and you try to do. Yes. Okay, I will do. Your time is up. Income from house property of the person's name you have to write, Sri or Srimati. For the assessment year you have to mention, if at all it is given in the problem means. Yes, is it clear? Then you have to mention particulars. Then this is house 1, this is house 2, మొదటి ఇల్లు రెండవ ఇల్లు. Yes, first what we have to find? Yes, what we have to find?
MRV, sir.
GIU, sir.
GAV we have to find gross annual value for house 1 is nil because it is self occupied. సొంతానికి వాడుకున్న ఇంటికి GAV ఉండదు అని చెప్పాను నేను. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
From this what we can deduct? Yes, what we can deduct?
taxes, sir.
Very good. Municipal taxes.
Municipal taxes.
Municipal taxes, see for house 1 it is 0. I mentioned for self occupied house you cannot deduct municipal taxes. సొంతానికి వాడుకున్న ఇంటికి మున్సిపల్ ట్యాక్సెస్ కట్టినా తగ్గింపుగా ఇవ్వరు అని చెప్పాను మీకు. అవునా? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the first house nil. Then what we will get? What is this? NAV, net annual value, నికర వార్షిక విలువ అంటాం. This is nil, 0, nothing is there. Okay, next what we have to do? Yes, next step is what?
Deductions.
Deduction for under section 24, sir.
Very good. GAV, this is NAV, net asset value. Next step is deductions under section 24. See, what are the two deductions I mentioned here? One is standard deduction. ప్రామాణిక తగ్గింపు under section 24 of A. For self-occupied house, what is the value? It is 0, I told. Standard deduction will not be allowed for self-occupied house. Is it clear? ప్రామాణిక తగ్గింపు అనేది ఉండదు సొంతానికి వాడుకున్న ఇంటికి. చెప్పింది గుర్తుందా?
Yes, sir.
What is the second deduction that is going to be allowed?
Interest on loan,
Interest
sir.
on loans.
Interest on loan. What is the section for this?
Under section 24B, sir.
24 of B you have to mention. Okay.
Of B, sir.
Interest on loan, you see the first house. See, interest on mortgage. Mortgage means loan, one kind of loan. On that one interest you have to pay. See, this you treat it as interest on mortgaged house. It means, see, in first house you check it. Is there any amount paid here? Interest on mortgage? Nothing is there. 0. So nothing is there. 0 you have to mention. So there is no interest paid. That's all. So what is the value? There is no income or there is no loss from this first house. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Income from house property. So from first house there is no income, there is no loss. Nil. Did you understand, or in this one any doubts are there? You can raise, you can ask doubts now. In the first house there is no income from first house because it is self-occupied. In self-occupied house GAV is nil. I mentioned GAV is nil for self-occupied house. Municipal taxes you will not allow even if they pay. Standard deduction is not allowed. Only interest on loan you are going to allow. Here in case of first house there is no interest on loan. So here 0 value is there. All zeros are there. Here also 0. దీంట్లో అర్థం కానిది ఏమైనా ఉంటే అడగచ్చండి. Please, you can ask doubt. Any doubts are there means you can ask. ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా doubts?
No, sir.
Now coming to second house. See, in case of second house we have to do working notes. Working notes. First what we have to find in working notes?
MRV, sir.
No, first GAV. In GAV steps are there. Okay.
One GA.
Step 1. In GAV step 1. Yes, what are the two values that you are going to compare?
MRV, FRV, sir.
MRV you are going to compare with FRV.
Okay, now you check. See, second house, you come to second house, MRV is 6,000, FRV is 5,500. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
మున్సిపల్ విలువ 6,000 ఉన్నది. ఫెయిర్ రెంటల్ వాల్యూ అంటే సమంజసమైన అద్దె విలువ లేదా సరసమైన అద్దె విలువ 5,500 ఉన్నది. ఆ రెండింటిని మనం కంపేర్ చేయాలి. సో హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 6,000 you are going to compare with 5,500. In these two values, which is the higher value?
6,000.
Sixth. This will go to second step, second round. It will qualify to the second round. Okay, step 2. So in step 2, what you are going to do? You are going to compare step 1 value with which value?
Standard rent.
Very good. Standard rent you are going to compare. Standard rental value. Now you check in the problem. Standard rent is also given. See, standard rent is in the last step. No, I mentioned it here at the end. Is standard rent given? Yes, 2,000. Okay, 2,000 standard rent. Okay, so 2,000 you have to compare. So first step, step 1 value is మొదటి స్టెప్ లో ఉన్న వాల్యూ 6,000. యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు కంపేర్ విత్ దీన్ని 2,000 ప్రామాణిక అద్దె ఉన్నది. ఆ 2,000 తోటి కంపేర్ చేసి రెండు విలువలలో ఏం తీసుకుంటాం? ఎక్కువ విలువనా తక్కువ విలువనా?
Lower values.
Very good. Lower value you have to take. Okay. So a minute. Is it visible now? So 2,000, I am going to take it to the third step, step 3. In this one, what are the two values you are going to compare? Step 2 value you are going to compare with what is the value?
Actual rent value.
ARV, actual rental value. అంటే వాస్తవంగా స్వీకరించిన అద్దెతోటి మనం కంపేర్ చేస్తాం. సెకండ్ స్టెప్ విలువను వాస్తవంగా ఎంత అద్దె తీసుకున్నాడు అనే దాంతో కంపేర్ చేస్తాం. Okay, now you see actually you check it once, you understand properly. Rental income is 7,200, but in a bracket I mentioned it is 12 months. So every month how many rupees he is receiving as rent? 600.
600 sir.
7,200 by 12, 7,200 by 12 వేస్తే మీకు నెలకు 600 వస్తుంది రెంట్. అందులో చూడండి in the problem, if you see properly, you can see here the second house remained vacant for a period of 2 months during the year. 2 నెలలు ఇల్లు ఖాళీగా ఉన్నదండి. వేకెంట్ అంటే ఖాళీగా ఉండటం, means nobody resided in the house for 2 months. It was vacant. Did you understand?
Yes sir.
So only how many months he received rent?
10 months.
10 months sir. 10 months sir.
For 10 months how many rupees he received?
6,000 sir.
Very good. 6,000 he is going to receive. Now you see here value is 2,000. Step 2 value. Step 3 second value, that is actual rental value, is 6,000. How it came? 600 into 10 months only. Yes, did you understand this step? ఇది అర్థమైందా అండి? సెకండ్ స్టెప్ లో 2,000 మనం తీసుకొని వచ్చాం. థర్డ్ స్టెప్ వాస్తవంగా స్వీకరించిన అద్దె మనకు కావాలి. చూడండి, అతనికి ఒరిజినల్ గా 12 నెలలు రెంట్ కు ఉంటే ఎవరన్నా ఉంటే 7,200 అద్దె వస్తుంది, అంటే నెలకు 600. కానీ 2 నెలలు ఇల్లు ఖాళీగా ఉంది అంటే 10 నెలలు మాత్రమే రెంట్ తీసుకోవటం జరిగింది. 10 into 600 వేస్తే 6,000 వస్తుంది. సో ఆ విధంగా చేశానండి. సో GAV's value is in these two values, which value you have to take? Higher value or lower value?
Higher value, sir.
Higher value.
Higher value.
Very good. So this 6,000 I am taking. 6,000. Okay, so for second house
GAV is 6,000. Is it clear? దీంట్లో ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందా?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now from this value we can deduct municipal taxes. మున్సిపల్ పన్నులు తీసివేయాలి. సో మున్సిపల్ పన్నులు ఒక్కసారి చూడండి. మున్సిపల్ ట్యాక్స్ you can see it. 800 he paid owner. If nothing is mentioned means paid by owner. If the municipal tax is paid by tenant, if it is clearly given means you should not take. But it is nothing is mentioned means paid by owner. 800 rupees pay చేశాడు ఓనర్. 800 రూపాయలు పన్నులు కట్టాడు. ఆ 800 మనం తగ్గించాలి. ఓకే, సో ఇట్ ఈస్ 800 rupees. So from 6,000 if you deduct 800, what is the value?
5,200.
2,200, sir.
Very good, 5,200. Very good. Now standard deduction. So second working notes we have to do standard deduction. Second one, that is standard deduction. Standard deduction is equal to, what is its value? NAV into how much percent?
30%.
Very good.
30%.
We have to give. So NAV value is how much? 5,200, no? 5,200 into 30%. Now you calculate and tell me immediately. NAV లో 30% ఇస్తాం. 5,200లో 30% కడతాం. What is its value?
1560, sir. 1560.
1560. చైతన్య మొన్న
1560, sir.
చైతన్య అర్థమైందా? మొన్న అడిగావు కదా ఇది, అర్థమైందా మళ్ళా?
అర్థం సార్. 1560 వచ్చింది.
ఓకే, రైట్, వెరీ గుడ్. So 1560 you have to do. So what I am doing is I will do it here. I will lessen it. I will decrease it, the size, and I will keep here. 1560. Okay. Now next one. Okay, right. So next one is interest on loan. See, you can see here interest on loan. Mortgage ante loan ane cheppanu. Idi inti meeda appe anukondi. Okay, interest on mortgage on house. You keep it like that. Okay. So 300 rupees interest కట్టాడండి. ఇంటి మీద లోన్ తీసుకున్నాడు, దాని మీద 300 రూపీస్ కట్టాడు. సో ఇవి ఏవి తగ్గింపులుగా ఇవ్వడండి, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ల్యాండ్ రెవెన్యూ కానీ, ఫైర్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ ప్రీమియం కానీ, కలెక్షన్ ఛార్జెస్ కానీ ఏవి తగ్గింపుగా ఇవ్వబడవు. ప్లీజ్ రిమెంబర్, దే విల్ నాట్ బి అలౌడ్ యాజ్ డిడక్షన్. ఓకే, సో 300 rupees you have to deduct. Now you quickly, only 1 minute time is there, you tell me. If you total them to 1,860, if you total the two, is it correct? 1560 plus 300 will give us 1860. From 5,200 you deduct this 1860. What is its value? From 5,200 you deduct this and tell me immediately.
3,340, sir.
3,340. Okay.
340.
Okay, is it correct? You please check, cross check.
Yes, sir.
So that's
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
this is the problem and solution. మీకు అర్థమైందండి? మరి అర్థమైనప్పుడు ఎవరు చేయట్లేదు ఎందుకు నేను అడిగినప్పుడు?
కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతున్నాం సార్ అప్పుడప్పుడు.
అంటే మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక 2 క్లాసులు చెప్పాలన్నా మరి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్?
చెప్పండి సార్.
చెప్పండి సార్.
ఓకే, ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. టుమారో అండ్ డే ఆఫ్టర్ టుమారో ఆల్సో ఐ విల్ కంటిన్యూ విత్ ద సేమ్ చాప్టర్. డోంట్ వరీ.
ఓకే సార్.
Only when you feel that we are comfortable, sir, only then we will move to next chapter. Don't worry.
ఓకే సార్.
So tomorrow there is no test because the chapter is not completed. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
When the chapter is completed, I will conduct a test. So So this is the problem. So this is going to be disconnected. Remaining time 2 minutes is there. I do not have any calculator with me. Only you do that calculation part, that's all. Afterwards, you open YouTube channel and note down the solution. 2-3 classes I will continue with the same chapter. Okay, ma? I hope you have got some idea about how to do this solution. కొంతవరకు అర్థమైంది కదా, ఒక 80% అన్న అర్థమైందా ఈ లెక్క ఎట్లా చేయాలి అనేది?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
ఓకేనా, ఇంకా కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేస్తే మీకు మంచిగా అర్థమవుతుంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. కాబట్టి ఇంకొక 2-3 రోజులు ఇదే చాప్టర్ లో ఉందాం. ఓకేనా? సో
ఓకే సార్.
entire week, this week we will continue with the same chapter. Next week I will start new chapter. Okay, on Sunday I will conduct a test.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay,
ఓకే సార్.
అఖిల్ అర్థమైందా? అఖిల్, అమ్మ, కీర్తన, నునావతు, శ్రీను, చైతన్య,
సార్ అర్థమైంది సార్.
రమ్య, సునీల్. Thank you. I am ending. Okay.
ఓకే సార్. బాయ్ సార్.
Bye.
గుడ్ నైట్ సార్.